nature is very nice. Kantahan lang mga dilos. Thank you everyone for all your support. Ransky, tulog na Ransky. Salamat Ransky. Thank you very much. Imelda Ingram, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, motivation. Guys, support to each other, guys. Support to the new friends here. Go to channel. Sorry host, hindi ako makapunta nakapin premiere. Ayaw naman maklik. Ano yun? I-ano yata yun kasi nakaano ako, vertical ako. Ano? I-ano na lang yun, yung ano pa yan? Yung i-type lang. I-type lang yata yung tak vlog. Yan siya, tak vlog. Yan ang ano niya. Hindi ko din maano. Tak vlog. Paano yan? I-ano ko ha, i-type ko yung ano niya. Tak tapos vlog. Tingnan na lang ninyo yung picture. Yan siya, tak vlog. Yan ang naka-premiere. Naka-vertical kasi ako. AJ Lucky One, salamat. Road trip today, Saudi. Hello, Pads! Salamat, Pads! Salamat sa pagsilip, Pads, ha? Kumusta ka na, Inday? Sandali, Pads. Tingnan ko yung bahay mo, Pads. Busy lang. Busy din ako, Pads. Matagal na ako hindi naka-live, Pads. Nag-ano lang ako kasi next week, busy si Mama Lu. So, you guys, kung nagpunta kayo sa ano ko, sa channel ko, tapos nagbakas kayo, balikan ko kayo, I will return a good favor a week after next week. Okay? Thank you very much, guys, ha? Pag may mga comments kayo, balikan ko talaga kayo. Happy Wednesday! Chris Outdoors! Hello, hello, my friend. Thank you. Happy Wednesday! Nasaan na yung kay Pads? Rio Videos! Hello, Rio Videos! Guys, thank you very much. Thank you from Motivation Melodies. You are so welcome. Motivation Melodies, you can if you are not busy, you can start to Lisa Jean Caballero. That's legit. And then Gorgeous Jean and Mr. Tranquilo, Travel and Happiness. They are all good friends. Quick, simple, and easy pancit done here. Welcome to Mama Lu's live stream, guys, and connect to each other. Thanks for all your support. Walang sawa na pag-support kang Mama Lu. If I cannot respond you guys this week and next week, I'll be out of town, but a week after that, I will respond back and I will give you a good favor and watch